Hello, everybody. So, today we are going to connect Android wirelessly. So, now let's just get started with. So, first of all, let me just open my terminal. So, let's zoom in a little bit. Then, let's use Tmux for it. Then, after that, what we can do is we can do first of all let me just connect my phone to you with USB. So hold on a sec, I'm just connecting it. So you know what you have to do when you are connecting with USB. So let me just go on my setting first of all. Uh, so, uh, so it must be on the setting. So you have to go inside the more setting. It depends upon the mobile phone one, right? What we call that mobile phone like setting. So let me just go on about phone. Okay, that's not it. Mm. So let me just open my developer option. So USB debugging. So as you can see, so if I just do scap sc scrcpy fail to connect. So if I just do this and scrcpy, so if I just redo that again, then now we have the connection. And as you can see, so where is my mouse at the moment? So as you can see, here we have this. So I have opened this developer option. So right now we are connected through the our USB. So what we want to do is connect it from the Wi-Fi. So let's just open our Wi-Fi. So we have hold on a sec. We have it's unloading. So this might take a while. So we have the IP address 192.168.1.90. So if we register that, right? So if I come, so 70, and let's just close it for once. Now what we want to do, let's get back to the terminal, and we do adb. Let's check the devices. So we have these devices, and what we want to do is to enable the TCP IP mode. So TCP IP uh, IP. Let's use the port 9. You can use whatever port you want, right? So let's do enter, restarting the TCP mode. So that's just restarting the. So let's just remove my USB devices, right? And okay, now it has been removed. Now we have to connect ADB. Let's check the devices. Let's check the devices. So we don't have the devices. So, and let's put that USB again, and let's do ADB devices. Now it is showing it. So what we want to do is to ADB connect through 192.168 dot 1 dot 70. That is our IP address, and we are gonna use the port 999. So let's do enter. Okay, the unknown, so I have written here dot. So connected. Now what we want to do is ADB, right? uh, Devices. So we have the another devices, so we can just remove our USB, I guess, and let's do scapy, SCRCPY. Then let's connect it. Okay, okay, it's loading now. As you can see, we have connected through the wireless. So if I just open my screen and let's do cancel, and as you can see, we are at the our phone that has been mirrored. So this while you are using the Wi-Fi, so this might be a little bit slower than USB connected one. So that is how you connect through the wirelessly. So thank you guys.